All right, good afternoon, everyone. You guys are hanging in there. Things looking a little dreary. Maybe some of you have just come to sit down and find a nice spot to sit, which is okay. I'll entertain you for about 20 minutes, so thank you for joining me. My name is Shelley Bakke. I'm a program manager within the Finance and Operations R&D team, and my primary goal is on the customer partner programs. So what kind of programs do we have available from an R&D perspective in order for you to stay connected with us? And then also just what programs do we have available in general to help you on your journey? So we're going to start by how we define programs. You hear a lot of us, and especially if you talk to a lot of our engineers or a lot of our program managers, talk about previews and flighting codes and first release, and what does that all mean? So we're going to kind of demystify most of that today here in the next 20 minutes. Then we'll talk about how everyone can get access to finance and operations. So the first thing is the program definition. So as we go through, an idea comes to light and we want to bring that idea out to the community, we really start breaking it down into multiple different phases. The first phase is what we call a private preview. And we have different descriptions and goals throughout the process for each of these as we talk through. From a private preview perspective, a customer may or may not go live. Now, for any of these, there could be some additional terms and conditions that we require and ask for customers or partners to sign up for. But when we're talking about a private preview, it's generally that MVP, that very first release that we want to get out to the community so people can start to see what we're doing and what are our ideas. Then we move into what's called a public preview. A public preview, customers, again, they can or maybe not go live on it, but a public preview means it's open for everyone, but you're using it at your own risk because we may still choose to make changes. So what you see is not going to be the final activity, event, feature, functionality. And then we have different go-live previews. And in a go-live preview, this means that the customer is going to go live. We are treating it just like adhering to our SLA for any other feature functionality. We're just really controlling that go-live activity and that feedback, where we're only allowing it for a small select group of customers. And this is where you probably hear a lot of our team talk about flighting. We will flight a feature, or we will flight some activities. A flighting is a mechanism that we in Microsoft control, where we could turn off a feature or a functionality specifically for a customer, a group of customers, customers in a particular region, but it's where we are controlling that rollout of that activity. And then we have general availability. It's open for everyone. It's free game. We're ready for the feedback. We are expecting it to be absolutely rock star quality, and it's going to work awesome for you guys. The first step into all of this journey is really to become an insider. So join us in the community. What we ask for you to do is to sign up at experience.dynamics.com. When you sign up at this portal, you could sign up for what's called the Insider Program. Once you sign up for the Insider Program, you accept terms and conditions, which really relate to an NDA, it relates to feedback, anything that we're going to do at that surface level. Now this is for all of Dynamics 365. So once you are an insider, you are an insider for AI, sales, customer engagement, F&O, retail, talent. You are an insider into our entire community. Now what we have specifically for finance and operations is we have a particular Yammer network. And this Yammer network has about 8,500 people in it. So it's a large community. It's a community that we use to get feedback on different features and functionality that we're developing. So once you join the Insider Program, there's several different options for you to choose to become a member of a particular program. This is where we want you to join the F&O Insider Program. That will get you into our Yammer group. Once you're in our Yammer community, you will have communication, you'll know what's going on. You'll have the R&D team, the engineers and program managers will help reply to your questions that you post out there, but then you're also going to get that community support as well too. Like I said, we have over 8,500 individuals in there globally, so it's a really good, thriving community. One of the programs that we just recently rolled out for finance and operations is called Community-Driven Engineering. Now, the goal of this is really to allow you as community members to contribute to the quality or to the innovation of the product. So when we think about how you could contribute to the quality of the product, how many of you guys have used AX 2012? Perfect, just about everyone. So you guys know that if you ran into a bug in the product, you could just fix it and move on. Half the time, you probably didn't even tell Microsoft about it. Now that we're in this extension-only model, that becomes a little more difficult. It becomes more difficult to make sure that that bug maybe does get fixed in a timely manner and gets incorporated in the product, or it becomes difficult in just doing it yourself anymore. So what we've done is we've opened up a Git repository for you to be able to develop on the F&O, develop just like you would normally, submit the pull request to our R&D team, and then we will bring that into the product. So think about this from an innovation perspective too. You guys have a great idea. Maybe it's something that is on our ideas portal, but it's a little lower on our backlog priority list, but you just know that people are going to benefit from this in the community, and you don't want to support it. You want to innovate, you want to help the product grow, but you don't want to be on the hook to support it, to making sure it gets marketed to all of the customers, but you're passionate about that innovation. You can use community-driven engineering for that as well too. If you have an idea, if you have a process, if you have something that you would like to see in the product, you could sign up using the community-driven engineering link right here. When you do sign up, I do double check and validate that from an organization perspective, that you are representing and providing that IP to Microsoft on behalf of the organization. So when you sign up, I do ask for a CXO level person within your organization. Everyone gets the same communication. Everyone knows that, hey, Johnny signed up for this program. I just want you to know about it, and here's all the terms and conditions. That way there's no surprises when all of a sudden you see some fun IP that maybe you thought was yours now show up in the product. So we have community-driven engineering. We have several organizations that have already participated, and they participated in both aspects. The aspect of helping the quality of the product by submitting us bug fixes, and then also by helping us with innovation as well too. I think our very first pull request we had was something that was very near and dear to those of you in the supply chain world, where it was a master planning performance fix. And we didn't have the fix, we didn't have it, it got submitted, and it's in the product now, so everyone's able to benefit from that. We have this thing that we've done with finance and operations called One Version, where we're working to get all of our customers on the latest version. Part of that One Version journey is to get that validation throughout our process. And so part of our validation we ask for anyone to sign up for is our PEEP program. It's a preview early access program. Now, this used to be called Platform Early Access Program when we were only doing the platform updates. I didn't want to really lose the PEEP because we kind of like our acronyms, so we just had to rename it and become creative. That's as creative as we get in R&D. But essentially what you do is you get access then to those preview bits before everyone else does. We also started this program where it was only for ISVs. But the program is now open and available for partners and customers, really anyone that has an interest and you want to do some validation. Now at this point in time, you cannot take these bits into production. There's really, honestly, there's nothing that blocks you from doing it other than all of the terms and conditions that you sign up for when you join the program. When you join the program, I have you go through a sign-up experience, and the reason for that is because you get added to the Yammer network. Remember that private Yammer network that we have that's just under NDA? You get added to a special group in that Yammer network. You get communication on when builds are available. You also then have a way where you can just submit an incident and it comes right to our R&D team. It bypasses our CSS team, so it comes right to us. We've got to be moving fast with our One Version cadence and our One Version rollouts, so we want to make sure we're getting your feedback as soon as possible. There is a sign-up experience because what I have found is about 40 to 50% of the ecosystem uses a different login for LCS than you do for Yammer. So in order to make sure that we could do this in a way where it's process-oriented and not a lot of individual pings on, hey, can you add me with this email address, or can you add me with this one, that's why we have a standard sign-up process. So you'll get access to the Yammer group, and then you also get access to a Lifecycle Services project. And that Lifecycle Services project is called PEEP Assets. And that's where we provide you with the deployable package that's a preview build that you can then take and apply to your environments. The Release Validation Program is a program that's available, again, for all customers, partners, and ISVs. And the Release Validation Program, what we do here is we ask for you to give us an environment. Now, the environment that you're giving us is a copy of your data that you need to anonymize. Unfortunately, we don't have tools yet to help you with anonymizing of the data, removing any of that personal identifiable information. We're working on some tools, but we don't have them there yet. We ask you to anonymize your data. We ask you to give us a copy of your customizations or your deployable package. And then we also ask for you to provide us with an Azure DevOps project that includes your regression suite automation test. So it includes all of your automated regressions. What we do then is, throughout our process of development of an actual build, is we take that build, even before it gets to the preview program, we take that build while it's still in development, we put it in that environment, and we run your automated test. Now, you're able to see the output of all these automated tests. You can see what passed, what failed, how many times Microsoft ran all of your tests. It's a great program. It's a great program because I guarantee you, however you guys have set up finance and operations, we have not done it in that way. It is so configurable and so fantastic in so many ways, yet a little hard on the testing side also because of how fantastic it is. This is our way to help make sure our commitment to backwards compatibility as well. Now, there's no cost to this program, no financial cost to this program. There is a cost, though, for you to help us get everything set up. So we do need your help in determining what data set you want to share. What data do you want to have removed from that data set? That is where the cost really comes in. So it's in your time and your effort as well. There's no financial cost. The next program is our first release program. And our first release program are those customers that are going to take the update first. So these are the customers where we will auto-apply the update to their sandbox. Then 7 days later, we auto-apply the update to production. Now, customers in first release, you have an option to opt out. If you find anything that you don't like and you don't want to take it to production because it would be a hindrance to your business, you simply opt out. Now, if you are in first release, your experience is not quite the same as everyone else's experience. You don't get an opportunity to set the weekend that you want to take the update in Lifecycle Services like everyone else gets to. When you're in first release, you're kind of at the mercy of our schedule. And from that perspective, we do communicate with you. We do let you know when the updates are coming, so that way you're well aware of them, but you can always opt out. So you have the same opt-out or pause options, just like all of the other customers do as well. And then we have our Go Live previews. This is where I have the asterisk on a Go Live preview. We don't do Go Live previews for everything. We do Go Live previews on some of the bigger, larger items. For example, you heard Mohammed talk about the planning service that we have coming out. You also heard probably Mohammed and Manoj talk about asset management that's going to be coming out. Those are some big rock items. We'll start working with a few customers that are going to go live on this first before we do roll it out to everyone. So that is where this concept of flighting comes in. That is the concept of where Microsoft will flight this feature or functionality on your actual tenant before it gets made available for everyone. And this is just an example of the asset maintenance private preview that we have going on. We have that select number of group of customers. We're working very closely with them. Our exit criteria, as we've been talking through here, is obviously no blocking bugs. They are sponsored and supported directly by R&D and through a special dedicated private Yammer group. So all of this is happening and all of this build up and feedback is happening before we take the actual product and we make it generally available. Now the last slide that I have is really talk about how do you get access? How do you get access and what does the experience look like? So there's two ways. The first way is an 18-month trial offer. Now the 18 months is really something that is put out there just in case you want to try it out for a little bit and then you don't want to do anything with it anymore. After 18 months, our data retention policy will kick in and those virtual machines that you have deployed will get deallocated. If you are on an 18-month trial offer, which is what our partners and our ISVs use, don't worry, after 18 months, all you do is click on the link and sign in again. So what we need to do, because Lifecycle Services uses Azure Active Directory for our authentication, we have to add an offer onto your tenant. That's why you have to go through this 18-month trial offer sign up. Now, if you're a customer and you've purchased the licenses or a subscription to finance and operations, you purchase it either through the CSP portal or via an enterprise agreement. Depending on how you purchase, depends on what kind of LCS project you can create. An implementation project is only available for you if you have purchased the subscription. If you have not purchased a subscription, that is when you'll want to have the 18-month trial offer, and that's when you can create a project of migrate, create solutions, and learn. So all of these have some different functionality behind them as well too. We're working to try to get things a little bit more streamlined in that aspect, but this is how you can get access to finance and operations, as well as how you can get access to any of the preview programs. With that, I think we've got 4 or 5 minutes left for some questions. So the link behind the 18-month trial offer, that is not publicly available for everyone. So what you do is you go to our docs.microsoft.com site, and if you want, I could take your email afterwards and I could provide you with the link. But it is on our docs.microsoft.com site where you can go to request the link. Yes, yes. All right. Well, thank you guys very much. Thanks for your investment in the last 2 days as well, too, for the Application Summit.